The higher washing machine EO error occurs when the machine detects that the lid switch is open. This issue can be caused by a variety of factors, including an improperly closed lid, a misaligned or bent lid hinge. To resolve the EO error, it is essential to first ensure that the lid is properly closed. Begin by opening the lid and checking if there are any obstructions preventing it from closing correctly. It is also important to inspect the door gaskets for signs of wear or kinking, and replace them if necessary. If the gaskets are simply kinked, straighten them out. Once any issues with the gaskets have been addressed, close the lid again, applying gentle force, and verify that it is properly aligned and closed. Additionally, inspect the lid hinge for any signs of bending or misalignment, checking both the outer and inner sides for bends, cracks, or loose screws. If the hinge is crooked, use padded jaw pliers to gently bend it back into position. In cases where the hinge is severely bent or damaged, it may be necessary to replace it. By following these steps, the higher washing machine EO error can be effectively resolved.